Imagine a smartphone tough enough to survive the wilderness, yet smart enough to stay connected where coverage disappears. And now, imagine it doubling as your own encrypted radio system. This is the Hotwav Hyper 8 Ultra, one of the boldest rugged phones we've seen in years. But before you grab one for your next expedition, there's something you should know. Hotwav is pitching the Hyper 8 Ultra as a true adventure companion, 5G ready, built like a tank, and equipped with a fully integrated walkie-talkie system operating across both UHF and VHF bands. That means real radio communication, up to 20 kilometers in ideal conditions, and yes, it also supports encrypted digital transmission. But while the tech is impressive, using these frequencies isn't always plug and play. Many regions require licenses or strict adherence to local regulations. So before you start broadcasting from the backcountry, make sure you're on the right side of the law. Legalities aside, the Hotwav Hyper 8 Ultra packs the kind of hardware you expect from a device designed for punishment. It's IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certified, meaning it laughs in the face of dust, heat, cold, shocks, and high-pressure water jets. It also brings a few standout tools for fieldwork: a torch that throws up to 280 lumens, a 20-megapixel night vision camera for low-light scouting, and a surprisingly powerful 125-decibel loudspeaker, loud enough to cut through wind, machinery, or a noisy campsite. Powering all of this is a monstrous 12,000 mAh battery, rechargeable through USB-C or via pogo-pins when docked. It's built for long days off the grid. On the front, you'll find a 6.8-inch display with a crisp 1080 by 2460 resolution and a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate, rare for a rugged device. Under the hood, the phone runs on MediaTek's MT8791 platform with 5G connectivity, backed by 12 GB of RAM and a hefty 512 GB of storage. The second SIM slot doubles as a micro SD slot when needed, striking a good balance between flexibility and capacity. And the price? Early adopters can expect a tag of around $580, though availability hasn't officially opened yet. So is the Hotwav Hyper 8 Ultra a rugged phone or a survival tool disguised as one? Maybe a bit of both. What's certain is that it blends smartphone tech with communication features rarely seen in this segment. If you're heading somewhere your regular phone shouldn't and truly can't follow, this might be the device willing to go with you. Thanks for watching. Stay prepared, stay connected, and stay adventurous.